In this video, you will learn how to fix SmartView not working on Samsung. Many users face issues when trying to connect their smartphones or tablets to their TVs using SmartView. Sometimes, the connection fails, or the feature does not work at all. This can be frustrating, but don't worry. I will guide you through some simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve these issues. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in the settings page, scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on it. Now that you're in the Apps section, tap on this icon. Next, toggle on the switch next to Show System Apps. After enabling this feature, tap OK to close this window. This step is crucial as it allows you to see all system apps including the SmartView. Now let's search for SmartView. Tap on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Type in SmartView and hit search. In the search results, select SmartView. Once you're on the SmartView app info page, look for permissions and tap on it. Ensure that all necessary permissions are allowed, especially nearby devices. This permission is essential for connecting with other devices seamlessly. After adjusting permissions, go back to the app info page by tapping back. Scroll down a bit and locate Storage. Tap on it. Here's where we'll clear any cached data that might be causing issues. Tap Clear Data. Then confirm by tapping Delete when prompted. Once that's done, it's time to restart your device. A quick reboot can often resolve lingering problems. If after restarting your device, SmartView still isn't functioning properly, let's head back into Settings one more time. Return to Settings by swiping down from the top again and tapping the gear icon. From there, tap on Connected Devices. Next up is selecting SmartView from this menu. Once inside, tap those three little dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, choose Settings, then tap on Labs. In Labs settings, toggle on the switch next to Chromecast support. This feature enhances compatibility with Chromecast devices when mirroring your screen via SmartView. Also ensure that location services are enabled on your device because SmartView uses location data to identify nearby devices effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps carefully, most issues with SmartView should be resolved successfully. If problems persist even after trying everything mentioned today, consider reaching out directly through Samsung's support channels or checking online forums for further assistance. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.